Hello and welcome to Forex View, the largest Forex broker review. Strategy, stocks, binary option, CFDs and cryptocurrency resource Forex channel. Before started, if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe, like my video and share with social media. It helps to inspire our works. Today, we will look at the top 3 best Forex brokers for USA clients. Our team's ranking of online Forex brokers. Review our FX broker reviews, compare spread fees and features, and start trading. So let's start. A list of the best US Forex brokers that are CFTC registered in the United States. The characteristics of a good Forex broker are: easy to use platform, availability of good educational resources on both markets and trading strategies, low trading fees, transparent services, excellent customer service. Number 1, Ig4x Broker. This Forex broker is client-oriented and comes with a wide range of trading tools. A free demo account, and a variety of training information, are available for novice traders through Ig Markets. Traders can participate in the Invite a Friend affiliate program, and receive $100 for each referral who completes 5 transactions within 6 months. Ig Markets disclose its financials, listed on a stock exchange, and it's regulated by top-tier regulators. That's why it's safe to say that Ig Markets is one of the best, and also most trusted Forex brokers in the US. Pros and cons. Pros: excellent Forex and cryptocurrency selection. A competitive commission-free pricing environment. Well-regulated and trustworthy. Superb educational tools. Cons: high Forex and stock CFD fees. Number 2, DD Ameritrade. The desktop application of DD Ameritrade, Think or Swim, comes with an excellent combination of functionality and design. It's a reliable broker working successfully for over 40 years worldwide, including US residents. The reason why it managed to secure its position on our top 3 US Forex brokers list is its high-quality services. You can trade and invest in top financial instruments, including a wide selection of stocks. Additionally, with DD Ameritrade, you can trade commission-free and access all the platforms and products with no deposit minimums, trading minimums, or hidden fees. Pros: low trading fees for free stock and ETF trading. Superb desktop trading platform. No minimum account size requirement. Research and educational resources available. Cons: accounts are mostly limited to US residents. Number 3, Forex.com. We place this company in the first place on our list of top 3 US Forex brokers because it has a rather low spread level, which allows traders to trade without unnecessary commission expenses. Forex.com accepts payments and withdrawals of funds through bank transfers and payment cards, which guarantees the safety and reliability of transactions. Algorithmic trading using advisors is available to traders, which allows you to practice many trading strategies. You can also get part of the spread from transactions of attracted novice traders through its affiliate program. Forex.com is the best Forex broker in the USA, as demonstrated by the steady growth of its client base. Pros: low minimum deposit, fully digital. Access to over 80 currencies to buy and sell. Leverage available up to 50 to 1. Low Forex fees and friendly. Cons: high stock CFD fees. To create real or demo account, check below. I have given broker link in the description below. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more update. If you have any questions, feel free to tell us in the comment section below.